Roku TV hacks and fixes. Error code 009018 and 5 amazing secrets. Is your Roku TV showing error code 009 or error code 018? Don't worry. In this video, we'll show you step-by-step solutions to fix Roku TV internet connection problems and reveal 5 amazing Roku TV secret features that can improve your streaming experience. Whether your Roku TV won't connect to Wi-Fi, keeps disconnecting, or displays network errors, these proven fixes can help get your TV back online quickly. So let's get started.
How to fix Roku TV error code 009. If your Roku TV says, error code 009, and it's connected to Wi-Fi but has no internet, you're not alone. This frustrating error means your Roku links to the router but can't reach the internet. Let's fix it. Point 1. Understand the error. Error 009 is a common connectivity issue on Roku TVs and streaming devices. It confirms a local Wi-Fi connection but blocks internet access. Common causes include router glitches, ISP problems, or outdated settings. Point 2. Power cycle. Everything starts simple. Unplug your Roku TV, router, and modem from the wall for 60 seconds. Plug the modem back first, wait until lights stabilize, then the router, and finally your Roku TV. This clears temporary glitches in 70% of cases. Point 3. Test internet on other devices. Open your phone or laptop and browse the web. If nothing loads, the problem is with your ISP or router. Contact your service provider. If other devices work, the issue is Roku specific. Point 4. Restart Roku network settings. Go to Settings and GT. Network and GT. Set up connection. Choose wireless, reselect your network, and enter the password again. This refreshes the connection. Point 5. Clear Roku cache. Quick secret fix. Press home 5 times, then up once, rewind twice, and fast forward twice. Your TV will restart and clear temporary files. This often resolves error 009 instantly. Point 6. Check router settings. 2.4 GHz. Log into your router, usually 192.168.0.1 or 192.168.1.1. Enable BGN mode on 2.4 GHz band and set channel to 1, 6, or 11. Avoid channels 12, 14. Roku works best on 2.4 GHz for stability. Point 7. Update router firmware. Outdated router firmware causes many 009 errors. Check your router manufacturer's app or website for updates. A fresh firmware version fixes bugs and improves compatibility. Point 8. Set DNS to automatic on Roku. Settings and GT. Network and GT. Advanced and GT. DNS. Choose automatic, or manually set to Google DNS, 8.8.8.8 and 8.8.4.4, if needed. This bypasses ISP DNS issues. Point 9. Move closer or use wired connection. Bring your Roku TV closer to the router for stronger signal. If possible, use an Ethernet cable for a direct wired connection. This eliminates Wi-Fi problems completely. Point 10. Factory reset as last resort. Go to Settings, System, Advanced System Settings, Factory Reset. Note: this will remove all apps and logins, so back up what you can first. Use only after trying other fixes. Bonus tips: keep your Roku software updated. Go to Settings, System, System Update. Avoid using mobile hotspots long-term as they can trigger error 009. If you use VPN or firewall apps, disable them temporarily. For persistent issues, check for ISP outages in your area. Older Roku models prefer 2.4 GHz over 5 GHz.
How to fix Roku error code 018 proven solutions, 2026. If your Roku is showing error code 018, it means your device is detecting poor internet download speed, causing buffering or failed streaming. Don't worry, this is a very common network issue. Today I'm sharing the top 10 step-by-step fixes that actually work in 2026. Let's get your Roku streaming smoothly again. Point 1. Understand the error. Error 018 specifically signals that your internet bandwidth is too low for reliable streaming. Roku needs consistent speeds, ideally 25 megabits per second plus for HD, more for 4K. Run a speed test on your phone or computer while connected to the same network. Point 2. Restart your Roku device. First and simplest fix, restart your Roku. Go to Settings, System, Power, System Restart, or unplug the power cord for 30-60 seconds, then plug back in. This clears temporary glitches. Point 3. Restart your router and modem. Power cycle your router. Unplug it and your modem for at least 60 seconds. Plug the modem back first, wait for lights to stabilize, then the router. This refreshes your internet connection and often resolves speed issues. Point 4. Check and improve Wi-Fi signal strength. Move your Roku closer to the router or remove obstacles like walls and devices causing interference. In Roku settings in GT, Network, check signal strength. Switch to 5 GHz band if available for better performance. Point 5. Test your internet speed. Use a browser on another device to run a speed test, fast.com or speedtest.net. Aim for at least 25 megabits per second download. If slow, pause downloads, streaming on other devices, or contact your ISP. Point 6. Reduce network congestion. Too many devices on your Wi-Fi? Disconnect phones, smart home gadgets, or gaming consoles temporarily. Use wired Ethernet connection for Roku if possible for more stable speeds. Point 7. Update Roku software. Go to Settings in GT, System in GT, System Update in GT, check now. Installing the latest firmware can fix bugs related to network detection. Keep your Roku updated regularly. Point 8. Try a mobile hotspot test. Connect your Roku to a phone's mobile hotspot temporarily. If it works fine, the issue is with your home network or ISP. This helps isolate the problem quickly. Point 9. Factory reset as last resort. If nothing works, Settings in GT, System in GT, Advanced System Settings in GT, Factory Reset. Note: this erases all apps and logins, so you'll need to set up again. Use only after trying other steps. Point 10. Advanced tips and when to call support. Change DNS to Google's 8.8.8.8 in router settings, use a Wi-Fi extender, or upgrade your internet plan. Check Roku's official support page for outages. If error persists, contact your ISP or Roku support with speed test results. Conclusion: these 10 fixes should resolve Roku error code 018 for most users. Start with restarts and speed tests, they solve it 80% of the time.
Top 5 Roku secrets. Boost your streaming experience. If you own a Roku device, you might think you already know everything it can do. But Roku has several hidden features that can make your streaming experience faster, smarter, and more enjoyable. Secret number 1. Enable Bandwidth Saver. Our number 1 Roku secret is Bandwidth Saver. Go to Settings, Network, Bandwidth Saver. When enabled, Roku automatically stops streaming after 4 hours of inactivity. This can help reduce unnecessary data usage, especially if you have limited internet bandwidth. It's a simple setting that can save a surprising amount of data over time. Secret number 2. Use voice search like a pro. If your Roku remote supports voice control, you can quickly search for movies, actors, genres, or TV shows. Instead of typing with the on-screen keyboard, simply press the voice button and say, "Open YouTube, find action movies, launch Netflix." Voice search saves time and helps you find content much faster. Secret number 3. Customize your home screen. Many users don't realize they can remove unwanted channels and simplify their Roku interface. Highlight any app or channel, press the star, asterisk symbol, button on your remote, and choose Remove App. You can also rearrange channels by selecting Move App. Place your favorite streaming services like Netflix, YouTube, Disney+, or Prime Video at the top for faster access. A cleaner home screen means a better streaming experience. Secret number 4. Restart your Roku without unplugging it. If your Roku feels slow or apps keep freezing, you don't need to unplug it. Go to Settings, System, Power, System Restart. A quick restart can solve many performance issues and help apps run more smoothly. It's one of the easiest ways to keep your Roku performing at its best. Secret number 5. Use private listening. Did you know you can listen to your TV audio through your smartphone? Simply download the Roku mobile app on your Android or iPhone. Connect it to the same Wi-Fi network as your Roku device, and tap the headphone icon. Now you can enjoy movies, TV shows, and sports without disturbing anyone around you. This feature is perfect for late-night streaming sessions or shared living spaces. Conclusion. Those were the top 5 Roku secrets that can instantly improve your streaming experience. Whether it's private listening, voice search, home screen customization, or bandwidth saving, these hidden features can help you get more from your Roku device. Which Roku secret was your favorite? Let us know in the comments below. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to Tech Truth Reviews, and turn on notifications so you never miss our latest Roku tips, streaming guides, and tech updates. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.